Hi loves, and thanks for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Click the subscribe button so you can stay connected with me, and also the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. I can't wait to show you what I got on a quick trip to Walmart today, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions about any of the products that you see me feature in this video, then leave it in the comment section, and always stop by and say hi. I love chatting with you, and I hope you enjoy watching. All right, so I got some more creamer. I got a large container of it so it will last, and I got some more fun juice, and I got this big container of eggs because we eat 4 egg whites a day, so we go through a lot of eggs. And I also got some more cookie dough. I got some fettuccine noodles because I plan on making chicken Alfredo tonight, so I'm super excited about that. And I got some more butter. And I've never used this Windex all-purpose cleaner, so I'm really excited about trying it. I did not need any more cleaners, but you know how the stores are right now. You know, some things are in stock and some aren't, so I just grabbed these items because I saw them and I needed some more dishwasher liquid. And I just grabbed some more toilet paper. We're not out, but why not grab it? If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button so you can stay connected with me. I'd love for you to join the family. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to talk to you guys soon in another haul. Bye.